In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to go full screen with Google Sheets. If you want to focus on your data, present to a group, or clear away the clutter while you work, going full screen in Google Sheets is a quick win. I'll walk you through the exact clicks so you can get there in seconds. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google's homepage. This works on any modern browser. Look to the top right of the page for the small grid of 9 dots. That's the Google Apps Launcher. Click it to open the panel of Google services. From that panel, select Sheets. This takes you to the Google Sheets dashboard, where you'll see your recent files and any templates you use. Go ahead and open the spreadsheet you want to work with. Once it loads, you'll be inside the familiar grid with the standard toolbar and menus across the top. Now let's switch to full screen. At the very top of the Sheets window, click the View menu. This menu controls how your sheet is displayed, and it includes a dedicated option for hiding on-screen distractions. In the View menu, click Full Screen. The moment you choose it, the menus and toolbars will slide away, leaving your spreadsheet to fill the window edge to edge. It's the same data and the same sheet, just cleaner and more focused, which is especially helpful when you're reviewing dashboards, comparing columns, or sharing your screen. While you're in full screen, you can still scroll, type, select cells, and use keyboard shortcuts as usual. The main difference is that the controls are hidden so your attention stays on the content. If you need to bring the controls back, press the ESC key on your keyboard. That immediately restores the top menus and toolbars so you can insert functions, format cells, or switch sheets. You can toggle in and out of full screen at any time, and nothing about your spreadsheet changes, only the way it's displayed for you. A quick reminder, this only affects your view. Collaborators won't see any change unless they choose full screen on their end. If you're presenting or recording, this is a great way to eliminate distractions without altering the document itself. That's it. Open Google, use the Apps Launcher to get to Sheets, open your file, go to View, choose full screen, and press ESC whenever you want the controls back. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more focused Google Sheets experience.